Before going to connect your wallet with any DeFi app, you must watch this video till end. This is very necessary for you if you want to save your account. Okay. So in this video, I am giving to 4 DeFi best application in crypto, but I am not giving to any financial advice. You will connect your wallet or not. It's depend on you. You complete your search. After that, you will do this. I just giving to method. I just giving to information about the DeFi website. So there's 4 websites, which is I told you, and I hope you properly understand how you find the properly 4 DeFi websites. The first number is Uniswap. So how can you find? Simple as that. Go to the open new tab. Type here Uniswap, and now going to open. Now you can see here, this is the official website of Uniswap. Before going to connect your wallet with any wallets, you can see here, this is the official website. And also I will give you more information about phishing website in this video, and you must watch this video till end. Okay, simple click on it. This is the official website of Uniswap. I will give you 4 website in this video DeFi. Now you can see here the SushiSwap is open front of me. There you can easily swap your one coin to other coins, and you can also change your network from this website, and also you can trade in this website. You can apply limit, buy limit, sell limits. You can use any option from this website, but before going to use, you must cross check and you will complete your search, then you will use this website. Okay, buy and sell crypto with 0 app fee and 19 plus network including Ethereum and Unichain and base chain in this DeFi website. Okay, if you want to connect, simple is that. Go to the click on connect button. I already give you information how to connect your Trust Wallet with DeFi app. Simple click on select the Trust Wallet, and then pop-ups will be open front of you and your wallet will be connected this website. The website is first website is completed. Now I'm going to second website, PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, yes, this is also good DeFi website. I'm waiting for this. Yes. Now the second website is PancakeSwap. This is the official website where you can easily connect your Trust Wallet and you can move your fund one crypto to other crypto. But again, this is not a financial advice. You can complete your research before going to connect. And you can see here almost same scenario or same interface like Uniswap. There's token is available here, and also trade button is shown here. You can swap your cryptocurrency from this website, and also you can see here there is shown the connect a wallet. You can use same scenario. Simple click on it. After that, all wallet will be shown front of you, which is you can connect it. Simple click on Trust Wallet, and you can easily connect. After pop-ups open front of you of Trust Wallet, then you can easily make that transaction or make the swapping in this crypto DeFi app or DeFi website. Okay, because I hope you properly understand. Now we are going to move over third best DeFi app, that is SushiSwap. Yes, you can see here SushiSwap. This is the third number of our best DeFi app, SushiSwap. You can also connect your wallet. Let's suppose you are going to use Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, you simply connect. So this is the official website, which is I'm giving to in information in this video. Simple click on it, and now website is going to open front of me. After that, I give you more information about it. Let's maybe some features change. Now you can see here the SushiSwap is open front of me, and you can also swap your cryptocurrency cross chain. You can see here swap token natively cross 15 chains, including Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimus, and Polygon and Base and more. You can also read more information about, click on just simple learn more, and then you can get more information about how to make the transaction cross chain or swap your cryptocurrency cross chain. The same scenario, right top corner, there's two options available here, Ethereum and connect a wallet. You can change your network according to your token. There's many network is available here. Simple click on connect button. The trust wallet will be open in front of you. Just simple click on it and your wallet will be connected, and then you can easily trade, buy crypto, and you can see here options available here, manage your liquidity pools, claim, all information available here. The third DeFi website is we have covered. Now we are going to fourth DeFi best website. We are going to open, simply type here QuickSwap. Yes, going to open fourth website QuickSwap. Click on it, and now website is going to front of me. You can see here the website is open front of me, the Ethereum community website, and available on many chain available here. You can see here many chain is available here. You can read after stop this video, and you can see here there is option right top one option available here, launch app. Click on it. So just keep in your mind, I'm not giving to any financial advice. I just giving to method. I just giving to best websites which is we are using. And you can see here the main interface is open front of me, QuickSwap, and you can also swap your one coin to other coin. And first you need to connect your wallet. How you connect a wallet? Simple as that, right top corner. Also you can change your network. All network is available here. I selected Ethereum. So simple is that, I just connect a wallet. So there is shown trust wallet. Simple click on trust wallet, or you can select on MetaMask and easily connect your wallet with this website. So but before going to connect, you complete your research. After that you will do this. So I hope you properly understand which is the 4 best DeFi website in crypto market. I hope you properly understand. If you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWalletInfo, and also press the bell icon button. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.